Hey guys, what's up? This is D here and you are watching Dope 3D. Today we'll be making this organic looking render. So let's get to it. Press Shift A, go to Mesh and add an icosphere. Click on this menu right here and increase the subdivisions to 4. Now duplicate this icosphere 2 times. For that press Shift D. Hide the duplicated icosphere, we'll need that later in the video. Now head to the modifiers tab right here and click on add modifiers and choose decimate modifier. Now zoom in on the icosphere and decrease the value of decimation. I'll decrease around this much. Now click on add modifier and choose wireframe modifier. Give it a thickness of 0.03. Now add a bevel modifier and leave it at default values. Now unhide other layers. Adjust the decimate value a little more. Hit apply to all 3 modifiers. Hit S and scale down the other icosphere just a little bit. Hide the modified icosphere and apply all 3 modifiers to this icosphere. Press R twice and rotate it so that it does not superimpose. And now apply all the modifiers one by one. Since we don't need this back portion of the sphere, so we'll delete it. For that, now hit tab to go into the edit mode. Press Shift Z to turn on X-ray mode so that we can select the vertices on the other side. And now just drag select this much portion of the sphere and hit the delete key on the keyboard and select vertices. Hit tab to come out of the edit mode. Now select the other icosphere and do the same thing. Now head to the modifiers tab and select these subdivision modifiers. Give a value of 5 to the viewport subdivision and 6 to the render subdivision. Hit R to rotate to add some randomness to the scene. Now head to the materials tab and click on new. Give it a color of dark blue or navy blue. Give the roughness a value of 0.8 and specular a value of 0.1. Now select the background layer. Give it the same material. Select the other icosphere and hit new. Give it a color between yellow and orange. Crank the metallic value all the way up. Specular value 0.8 and a roughness of 0.2. Now head to the world properties tab. Click on the color dot and select environment texture. Now click on open and select an HDRI. I'll put a link of this HDR in my description. Now you can see the scene is taking its shape. Now press Shift A and add an area light. Hit G and press Z and drag it up. Hit R and type 90 to rotate it to 90 degrees. Now go to the top view by pressing number pad 7. Rotate it. Go to the front view again and press G and Z to drag it down in the middle. hit Shift A and choose camera. Now to snap the camera in place, press Ctrl Alt and number pad 0. Now go to camera properties and change perspective view to orthographic and decrease the orthographic view value up till here. Now click on the rendered view mode. Change the render engine from Eevee to Cycles. And there you go guys, your file is ready to render. You can find this project file on my Patreon page. The link will be in the description box below. So do check it out. Thanks for watching. See you next time.